bit of a side project, making this reverse gear for the Dart. We start off obviously with the blank and then use a gear planer later on to actually cut the teeth. Quite a fascinating process. So you'll see us lathing it up and then actually using the gear planer. So it's a little bit different. Hope you enjoy it. Sworn the thing was spinning. G'day everyone. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching that gear being made. It was quite fascinating. It's the reverse gear for the Goggomobil. Not that it needs one, as far as I know. I think the Devil Dart, as far as I know, is good in the gearbox, but it's handy to have a spare. Sadly though, it was a rather complicated enterprise, and I had hoped it would have been a lot cheaper. It was a lot dearer to be done than I thought. You know, what with doing the blank and then getting the machine, setting the machine up and everything, it was quite a few $100s. It would have been cheaper just about to buy a new one from somewhere else. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it anyway, and I do appreciate all those people who have subscribed or even watch. You know, there's, I think, 41 subscribers, so if you're watching this, you're not alone. You're one of a very elite group, and I hope you get something from them, or at least a bit of entertainment anyway, or you know, the ability to go to sleep. I don't know what you really need. Anyway, we'll keep on going on. I think there's some exciting things coming up with the Dart now, though. Getting to the stage where now I can start putting some things on the chassis, which is exciting because it means, you know, we're adding things on, we're building the machine up, and it actually looked like there's been some progress, which sadly the last month or so hasn't really been happening very much. One of the reasons was is getting these bushes in. It took a while. You'll see that in another video.